Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are a student looking for a great deal on mobile data, Rogers has a discounted back to school 5G plan. I will show you how to claim it and start saving. So now let's get started. First, you will need to ensure you're eligible for the student discount. You will need to be a full-time student with a valid student ID, and Rogers usually offers this deal during the back to school season, so keep an eye on their promotions. Go to the Rogers website or visit a local Rogers store. Navigate to the deals and promotions section and find the back to school 5G data plan. Select the plan and proceed to checkout. During the checkout, you will be asked to verify your student status. Upload your student ID or use a verification tool like Unidays if prompted. Once your student status is verified, the discounted rate will apply. And once you have completed the purchase, your 5G plan will be activated. You will receive a confirmation email with details about your new plan and data limits. And that's how you claim the Rogers discounted back to school 5G data plan. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.